I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone help.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Hello.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Yes, how much is a burger, chips and beans, please?
It's for 50 euros.
Okay, can I have a burger, chips and beans, please?
Okay. Burger, chips, anything else?
Yes, can I have a drink, please?
Okay, what kind of drink?
A cola, please.
Cola? Okay. Anything for dessert?
Yes, an ice cream, please.
Ice cream? Okay, one moment, please.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Chips, burger, and beef. For drink cola, and for dessert ice cream. Okay.
Okay.
One moment, please.
Okay.
The food is ready. Okay. The food is ready.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's 10 euros.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, have you got the new Oregon video?
Yes, we have. It is in the box section.
Where's that?
It's over there, near the exit.
Okay. Have you got the reader cards?
Yes, No, sorry. We don't have them.
Okay. How much is the CD?
It costs £10.
Okay. Thanks.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Diego. What's your name?
My name is Dennis. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Pineda. And where are you from?
I'm from Pineda too. What a coincidence.
Are you doing anything Saturday night?
I don't think so. Why?
Because I'm going to the cinema. Do you want to come?
Yes, I do.
Great. It starts at 8 o'clock.
Oh, see you on Saturday next to the cinema. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, can I help you?
How much is a cheese and ham sandwich, please?
It's 3 pounds.
Okay, can I have the cheese and ham sandwich, please?
Okay, anything else?
Yes, have you got ice creams?
Yes, what taste?
Strawberry and vanilla.
It's 2 pounds 50 pence.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Albert.
And your surname?
My surname is Mir.
Can you spell that, please?
M-A and R.
Where do you live?
My live in Pineda, in Pineda.
Okay. How old are you?
13 years old.
And what's your phone number?
937662166.
Okay. What sport do you like?
I like football.
Train on Mondays and Wednesdays.
Okay, I'll be there. How much is it?
300 a month.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, my name is Enrique. I am a big Catalan boy. I am 13 years old. I have a brown short hair, brown eyes, and brown skin. I'm 170 centimeters tall, so I'm a good basketball player. In my free time, I like repairing electrical things. My father told me he is an important repairer. One I like most is eating and playing.
Hello, my name is Carlos and your name is Pérez. I'm 12 years old. I live in Pineda. My father's name Aniceto and my mother's name Montserrat. I have got one sister. She's named Claudia and one cousin. She's named Martina.
What do you do in your free time?
I love watch TV and play football.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, can I help you?
Yeah, do you sell books?
Yes, we do.
I'm looking book for animals.
The books are over there.
I like this one. How much is it?
It's 80 pounds, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi, are you doing anything on Sunday afternoon?
No, I don't. Why?
I am going my dad's swimming pool. Do you want to come?
Yes, that sounds great.
All right. I see you next Sunday at 4 o'clock at my house.
Perfect. See you on Sunday.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
Hi Alex, I got your text. What are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing special, why?
I'm going to the party with my boyfriend. Do you want to come?
What time are you going?
We're leaving home at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Are you having dinner there?
Yes, there's a cafe there.
Okay, see you tomorrow then.
Yeah, at 10 o'clock at my house, okay?
Right, see you later.
Hello. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I like cheese and tomato sandwich.
And you?
One hamburger, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I eat cookies and drink one mineral water.
And for me, one ice cream and one orange juice, please.
Okay, it's 12 pounds and 10 pence.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Football club, please.
Oh, what's your name?
My name is Daniel.
Can you spell that, please?
Yes, Daniel.
Oh, how old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
And what's your email address?
It's danny@hotmail.com.
Thanks. Welcome to the football club.
Thanks, goodbye. Hello.
Hello. Can I join to the football club, please?
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Moha.
Can you spell that, please?
Yes, M-O-H-A.
Okay, thanks. How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
What is your email address?
It's moha@hotmail.com.
Okay, thanks. That's all. Here is your card. Welcome to the football club.
Thanks. Goodbye.
At the restaurant. Ah, the restaurant. Come.
Yes. Oh, it's very beautiful.
Yes, yes. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, can we have the menu, please?
Yes, here you are. Thanks.
Can I have shellfish with chips, please?
And I like fish with extra chips, please.
Anything to drink?
A Coke, please.
Me too.
Large, medium or small?
Small, please.
Okay.
Oh, it's very good.
Wow, fantastic.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Would you like a dessert?
Yes. And a pie, please.
And you?
No, nothing for me, thanks. Do you like this?
Yes.
I finished. Okay.
Can I have the green, please?
Yes. Here you will.
Ooh, it's very fantastic. Look.
It's beautiful.
Anyone.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Déjame.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone and I'm not so self-assured.